Nyakor mgajuang machiegni kende okang' mar ariyo wadhi nyime gi weche magwa manyiena mag Migago. Atere nyaka kaunti mano ma Kisii kama achije adek ma itudo gi ketho mar lodho oko wang' nyathi manyinge Junior Sagini odiochieng' ma kawuono ing'ado negi bura. Achije go oriwo damare manyinge Rael Nyikarario, nergi manyinge Alex Ochogo kod waigi manyinge Pacifica Nyikarario. Jafwambo marwa Crispin Otieno dhi nyime kod luwo burano e doho ma Kisii. Wawinjo na kaka chenro ma kamano dhi nyime.
Passing the most appropriate sentence. The maximum sentence that this offense that the three accused persons on child under section 234 of the Penal Code is the maximum sentence of life imprisonment. Your Honor, we will rely on the Judiciary Criminal Procedure Bench Book, which in itself makes reference to the Judiciary Sentencing Policy Guidelines of 2016. Your Honor, in the said judiciary, in the said sentencing policy guidelines of 2016, Your Honor, paragraph 3 details the principles underpinning the sentencing process. That's paragraph 3. We will draw to your attention, Your Honor, paragraph 3.1 on the principle of proportionality. So that, Your Honor, you pass a sentence that will be commensurate to the offending behavior of the three accused persons. Of course, in this principle, Your Honor, you're going to consider the gravity of the offense, the injuries that were sustained, that is maim. This child will never see for the rest of his life. It is grounded on the principle of getting the concept of I just deserved. This is your desert. You deserve this. Your Honor, I'll then go to paragraph 4.1, objectives of sentencing. And I will not belabor the court so much. We have the retribution, punish the conduct. We have the deterrence, which is deter and discourage the offense. We have the rehabilitation. We have the community protection. You know, when you read the social inquiry reports, the view of the community is that these people should be incapacitated. And lastly is the denunciation. Pass a sentence, Your Honor, that will communicate the condemnation of their criminal conduct, the heinous nature of the offense that was committed. Pass a message to the community back there that if you do this kind of, if your conduct is this way, this is what the court will punish you.